In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable secure playback in the Brave browser with Widevine to fix Spotify playback. If you're trying to listen to Spotify in Brave and the audio won't start or you see a message about protected content, this is almost always due to Widevine, the digital rights management module that streaming sites use to protect media. Brave supports this, but it needs to be allowed in settings. I'll walk you through exactly what to check and how to make sure Spotify is authorized. Start by opening Brave. Click into the address bar at the top and type Brave /settings content protected content, then press enter. This takes you straight to Brave's protected content settings, so you don't have to dig through menus. At the top of this page, look for the main switch that controls protected content. Make sure it's set to sites can play protected content, and you'll see that it's marked as recommended. This setting enables Widevine so websites that rely on DRM, like Spotify, can stream audio and video securely. If this is turned off, Spotify's web player won't be able to play tracks because the content is blocked at the browser level. Next, scroll down to the Site Exceptions area. You'll see sections for allowed to play protected content and not allowed to play protected content. We want to explicitly allow Spotify so Brave knows it's safe to play DRM on that site. In the Allowed section, click the Add button and type on Spotify.com, then confirm. Using the HUZ pattern covers all Spotify subdomains, including the main site and the web player, so you don't have to add them one by one. If you don't see an Add button, look for a similar option to manually enter a site. Brave's layout may vary slightly by version, but the idea is the same. You're adding Spotify.com to the allowed list. That's it. With protected content enabled and Spotify explicitly allowed, Brave will load Widevine as needed and let Spotify stream securely. This change only affects playback of protected media. It doesn't weaken Brave's tracking protections or ad blocking. And adding just Spotify ensures other sites don't get blanket access unless you choose to allow them. To recap, you went directly to the Protected Content Settings page, turned on the recommended switch for playing protected content, then added Spotify.com to the allowed list so Spotify can use Widevine. After these adjustments, your Spotify web player should be able to play music normally in Brave. Enjoy your listening.